Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge etc. Today marks part 9 of my Path to the Corner Office series for overseas posting examination questions and their corresponding sample answers for bankers. When is payment of interest on delayed import dues allowed? Option A. When the delay is caused by the supplier. Option B. When the delay exceeds 12 months. Option C. When the delay is due to negligence. Option D. When the delay is due to disputes or financial difficulties. Answer. Option D. When the delay is due to disputes or financial difficulties. Question. What is the maximum period for which overdue interest on side bills can be remitted without prior RBI approval? Option A. 5 years. Option B. 1 year. Option C. 2 years. Option D. 3 years. Answer. Option D. 3 years. Question. What does the all-in cost ceiling for import transactions include? Option A. Arranger fee, upfront fee and legal expenses. Option B. Only management fees. Option C. Only handling discharges. Option D. Only legal expenses. Answer. Option A. Arranger fee, upfront fee and legal expenses. Question. In case of prepayment of usance import bills, what must be reduced from the remittance? Option A. Legal expenses. Option B. Proportionate interest for the unexpired portion of usance. Option C. Handling charges. Option D. Management fees. Answer. Option B. Proportionate interest for the unexpired portion of usance. Question. What rate is applied when interest is not separately claimed for usance import bills? Option A. SU dollar rate. Option B. Prevailing LIBOR of the currency of invoice. Option C. RBI's base rate. Option D. Forward contract rate. Answer. Option B. Prevailing LIBOR of the currency of invoice. Question. What does UCP 600 define a documentary credit as? Option A. A revocable arrangement. Option B. An irrevocable arrangement. Option C. A negotiable instrument. Option D. A conditional agreement. Answer. Option B. An irrevocable arrangement. Question. According to Article 14B of UCP 600, within how many banking days must discrepancies in documents be communicated? Option A. 5 banking days. Option B. 10 banking days. Option C. 7 banking days. Option D. 3 banking days. Answer. Option A. 5 banking days. Question. What is the obligation of importers for side documents under the FLC application cum agreement? Option A. To retire them on first presentation. Option B. To negotiate the terms. Option C. To pay at maturity. Option D. To delay payment until disputes are resolved. Answer. Option A. To retire them on first presentation. Question. Is the letter of acceptance for usance documents under FLC required to be stamped? Option A. Yes, always. Option B. No, never. Option C. Only for transactions above a certain value. Option D. Only if the FLC application cum agreement is not stamped. Answer. Option B. No, never. Question. What is the purpose of the import data processing and monitoring system IDPMS? Option A. To ensure transparency and efficiency in the import process. Option B. To monitor domestic trade transactions. Option C. To track export payments. Option D. To regulate foreign exchange rates. Answer. Option A. To ensure transparency and efficiency in the import process. Question. What authority approves exchanges like IIBX for gold imports? Option A. Reserve Bank of India RBI. Option B. Directorate General of Foreign Trade DGFT. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. International Financial Services Centers Authority IFSCA. Answer. Option D. International Financial Services Centers Authority IFSCA. Question. What happens if forward sale contracts are booked for import transactions? Option A. The contracted rate is applied. Option B. The transaction is cancelled. Option C. The rate is renegotiated. Option D. The bill selling rate is applied. Answer. Option A. The contracted rate is applied. Question. What is the primary focus of UCP 600 in relation to documentary credits? Option A. To establish them as irrevocable arrangements. Option B. To allow flexibility in payment terms. Option C. To make them revocable. Option D. To ensure compliance with international trade laws. Answer. Option A. To establish them as irrevocable arrangements. Question. What must be ensured for FLC application cum arrangements? Option A. They are signed by both parties in the presence of a witness. Option B. They are stamped as applicable to agreements. Option C. They are submitted to the RBI for approval. Option D. They are notarized. Answer. Option B. They are stamped as applicable to agreements. Question. What is the primary purpose of the import data processing and monitoring system IDPMS? Option A. To facilitate the export process. Option B. to assist in issuing letters of credit. Option C, to ensure compliance with FEMA rules for imports. Option D, to monitor foreign exchange rates. Answer, option C, to ensure compliance with FEMA rules for imports. Question, which entity developed the IDPMS system? Option A, Reserve Bank of India. Option B, International Chamber of Commerce. Option C, Ministry of Finance. Option D, authorized dealer banks. Answer, option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question, what is the main benefit of IDPMS for import payments? Option A, it simplifies the export process. Option B, it reduces import taxes. Option C, it increases foreign exchange reserves. Option D, it eliminates the need for physical documents. Answer, option D, it eliminates the need for physical documents. Question, what is a letter of credit, LC? Option A receipt for completed trade transactions. Option B, a document issued by the government for imports. Option C, a certificate of foreign exchange compliance. Option D, a set of instructions from a buyer to a seller through banks. Answer, option D, a set of instructions from a buyer to a seller through banks. Question, what governs the use of letters of credit, LCs? Option A, Uniform Customs and Practice for Documentary Credits, UCPDC. Option B, World Trade Organizations, WTO guidelines. Option C, FEMA guide regulations. Option D, International Trade Act. Answer, option A, Uniform Customs and Practice for Documentary Credits, UCPDC. Question, what is the official publication that replaced UCP 500? Option A, UCP 600. Option B, ISBP 745. Option C, DocDex. Option D, URR 725. Answer, option A, UCP 600. Question, how many articles are included in the UCP 600? Option A, 60. Option B, 39. Option C, 50. Option D, 25. Answer, option B, 39. Question, what is the purpose of the International Standard Banking Practice, ISBP? Option A, to monitor foreign exchange transactions. Option B, to regulate bank-to-bank reimbursements. Option C, to clarify compliance of documents under letters of credit. Option D, to resolve disputes in trade finance. Answer, option C, to clarify compliance of documents under letters of credit. Question, What is the EUCP 600? Option A new set of rules replacing UCP 600. Option B, a trade finance dispute resolution system. Option C, a digital version of UCP 600 rules. Option D, a guideline for issuing letters of credit. Answer, option C, a digital version of UCP 600 rules. Question, what does DocDex stand for? Option A, digital operations for credit exchange. Option B, documentary compliance examination system. Option C, documentary instruments dispute resolutions expertise. Option D, documentary credit examination system. Answer, option C, documentary instruments dispute resolution expertise. Question, what is the role of the ICC International Center for Amicable Dispute Resolution? Option A, to administer DocDex procedures. Option B, to monitor compliance with FEMA. Option C, to regulate international trade laws. Option D, to issue letters of credit. Answer, option A, to administer DocDex procedure. Question, what is the purpose of the URR 725? Option A, to regulate foreign exchange transactions. Option B, to replace UCP 600. Option C, to clarify compliance of trade documents. Option D, to govern bank-to-bank reimbursements under documentary credits. Answer, option D, to govern bank-to-bank reimbursements under documentary credits. Question, when did URR 725 become effective? Option A, 10th October 2016. Option B, 1st October 2008. Option C, 1st January 2009. Option D, 1st July 2007. Answer, option B, 1st October 2008. Question, what is the key characteristics of a documentary credit under UCP 600? Option A, it is revocable at any time. Option B, it is governed by FEMA regulations. Option C, it is an irrevocable arrangement. Option D, it is issued by the beneficiary. Answer, option C, it is an irrevocable arrangement. Question, who is the applicant in a letter of credit transaction? Option A, the advising bank. Option B, the issuing bank. Option C, the buyer of goods. Option D, the seller of goods. Answer, option C, the buyer of goods. Question, what is the role of the confirming bank in a letter of credit? Option A, to issue the letter of credit. Option B, to reimburse the issuing bank. Option C, to advise the seller about the letter of credit. Option D, to take over the responsibility of honoring the claim? Answer. Option D. To take over the responsibility of honoring the claim. Question. What happens when confirmation is added to a letter of credit? Option A. The letter of credit becomes revocable. Option B. The issuing bank is relieved of its obligation. Option C. The advising bank becomes the applicant. Option D. The confirming bank assumes responsibility for payment. Answer. Option D. The confirming bank assumes responsibility for payment. Question. Which ICC publication assists in understanding compliance of documents under letters of credit? Option A. DocDex. Option B. ISBP 745. Option C. URR 725. Option D. UCP 600. Answer. Option B. ISBP 745. Question. What is the primary focus of the E-rules for EUCP 600? Option A. To replace UCP 600 entirely. Option B. To regulate foreign exchange transactions. Option C. To resolve trade finance disputes. Option D. To digitize trade finance processes. Answer. Option D. To digitize trade finance processes. Question. Which of the following is not a party to a letter of credit? Option A. Applicant. Option B. Confirming bank. Option C. Import monitoring authority. Option D. Beneficiary. Answer. Option C. Import monitoring authority. Question. What is the primary purpose of a rate clause LC? Option A. To provide post-shipment financing. Option B. To cover warehousing and insurance charges at the port. Option C. To facilitate payment on site basis. Option D. To enable the beneficiary to avail advance for purchasing raw materials, processing and packing goods. Answer. Option D. To enable the beneficiary to avail advance for purchasing raw materials, processing and packing goods. How does a green clause LC differ from a red clause LC? Option A. It eliminates the need for reimbursement instructions. Option B. It requires the drawing of usance drafts. Option C. It provides for advance payments only after shipment. Option D. It includes provisions for warehousing and insurance charges at the port. Answer. Option D. It includes provisions for warehousing and insurance charges at the port. Question. What is the key feature of payment credit LCs? Option A. Payment is made on site basis upon presentations of requisite documents. Option B. It provides for deferred payment terms. Option C. It requires the drawing of usance drafts. Option D. It includes warehousing charges. Answer. Option A. payment is made on site basis upon presentations of requisite documents. Question: what distinguishes deferred payment credit from acceptance credit? Option A: acceptance credit eliminates the need for reimbursement instructions. Option B: deferred payment credit does not require drawing of drafts. Option C: acceptance credit does not specify maturity dates. Option D: deferred payment credit requires drawing of usance drafts. Answer: option B: deferred payment credit does not require drawing of drafts. Question: what is the characteristics of negotiation credit? Option A: it mandates the use of side drafts only. Option B: it requires warehousing and insurance charges to be covered. Option C: it allows free negotiations by any willing bank if specified as freely negotiable credit. Option D: it is always restricted to a specific bank. Answer: option C: it allows free negotiations by any willing bank if specified as freely negotiable credit. Question: what happens if shipment schedules are not adhered to in an installment credit? Option A: the credit is converted into a deferred payment credit. Option B: the credit ceases to be available for that and any subsequent installments. Option C: the credit is transferred to a third party. Option D: the credit remains valid for subsequent installments. Answer: option B: the credit ceases to be available for that and any subsequent installments. Question: what is the role of a third country bank in transit credit? Option A: to act as the beneficiary's local bank. Option B: to issue the credit. Option C: to facilitate the credit between the buyers and sellers countries. Option D: to provide post-shipment financing. Answer: option C: to facilitate the credit between the buyers and sellers countries. Question: what is the purpose of Incoterms? Option A: to eliminate the need for letters of credit. Option B: to define parties' obligations, risks and costs in the delivery of goods. Option C: to provide financing options for international trade. Option D: to regulate domestic trade laws. Answer: option B: to define parties' obligations, risks and costs in the delivery of goods. Question: why were Incoterms created by the International Chamber of Commerce (ICC)? Option A: to standardize global trade laws. Option B: to eliminate the need for third country banks in transit credit. Option C: to avoid disputes arising from variations in the sale of goods act across countries. Option D: to provide guidelines for deferred payment terms. Answer: option C: to avoid disputes arising from variations in the sale of goods act across countries. Question: how many Incoterms rules are included in the 2020 update? Option A: 10. Option B: 12. Option C: 11. Option D: 13. Answer option C 11. Question: when did the Incoterms 2020 rules become effective? Option A 1st January 2019. Option B 31st December 2020. Option C 10th September 2019. Option D 1st January 2020. Answer option D 1st January 2020. Thank you very much for your patience. Request for like, subscribe and share.